Right guys, first thing you're going to do, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Now you're going to have an A3 piece of paper which you can sneak out the printer, or maybe someone lovely has gone and got you some A3 paper. First thing you're going to do is fold it so it looks like that, like so. Then the next thing you're going to do, you can turn it however makes it easy for you, and then you're going to fold it in half. Again, yours will be so much neater because you've got two hands. Okay, right. Now, okay, so that's what we've got. The next one, open up. So you've got the bend in the middle. Just to make your lives easier, bend it back on itself, like so. Okay? So then we've got a nice firm bend in the middle. Okay? Like so. Right. Now, have your edge to the top so it opens like that. Right. Fold it back in half. Now this is how we're going to concertina it. We need to keep the bend at the top there. We are going to take it and we are going to bend that into the centre. Okay, like that. See? So if I stand it up, it's going to look like that. That bit there is going to be our front cover. Alright, now thankfully we've got a nice stiff bend there. We're then going to bend that back there, and then we're going to bend that to that edge there. I can't believe I'm managing to do this left-handed. I must be ambidextrous. Right, so from above it looks like that, otherwise it looks like that. Now, I can't write with my left hand, so give me a second. Right. Okay, so remember, look, I've still got my bend at the top. Okay, so you can see that's what it looks like on your table. Okay, right, now on this front cover, ooh, giant finger. Right, on this front bit, right, cover. Okay, then open it up and I want you to number the pages. 1, 2, fold over, 3, 4. Now, turning it back over, we need to write back. Ooh. Back. Okay? Now, back to the cover. Just to remember what you're doing, and I want you to write top. Might have if I wrote the P. And bottom. I'm just going to go with bot. Right. I'm going to abbreviate to make it easier for myself. T, T, B, B, T, B, T, B. I'm going to do it on the back as well. T, B. Okay, right, so now we can start to read it like a book. So this is our cover. We've got page 1, page 2, whoops, page 3, page 4, and the back. Okay, now we also, because we're marvellous, have this inside page here. So cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, and then if you open it you should have 2 blank pages. This is going to page 5 and page 6. Again, put top and bottom because it will, I promise you, it will help with your orientation later. Okay, now let's pull out your A3 different paper. So it looks like that. Okay, so all our numbers are paged. All our pages are numbered and we know the orientation. Now, on your blank side, this is where you write poster. Okay, right, so the idea is you're going to make one document in A3 on Photoshop, which is a poster. Save it as a JPEG. Make a second document on Photoshop, A3, both a landscape orientation, and it's going to look like this. Now this is where you then need to follow the step-by-step guide that I've put in a PowerPoint. Keep this piece of paper in front of you, and it is something that can go in your sketchbooks to help with method recording. Once you've laid everything out in Photoshop, you will understand how this is going to work. If you feel stuck, the best thing you can do is make another one of these pieces of paper and actually physically cut and stick your pictures onto these areas so you know what it's going to look like before you Photoshop it. You can do it whichever way, just make it easier for yourself, but we will make a Photoshopped version. So you can either do it physically by hand first, or you can go straight into Photoshop, but make sure you at least have this version because it will make your life so much easier.